Hello children, today we will learn verb to have and verb to do in grammar section of chapter 5. In previous video I had told that a verb can be used as a main verb and as a helping verb. So here we will use verb to have and verb to do as a helping verb. A helping verb is one which helps main verb to form tense, mood और वॉइस. जो वर्ब टेंस, मूड, वॉइस इत्यादि के निर्माण में मेन वर्ब की सहायता करती है वह हेल्पिंग वर्ब कहलाती है. वर्ब टू हैव इज यूज्ड एज एन हेल्पिंग वर्ब फॉर परफेक्ट टेंस. as you have already read that perfect tense is formed by verb to have plus past participle of the main verb. Now let's see this chart of verb to have. Verb to have are three: has, have and had. Has and have are used in present tense and had is used in past tense. These verbs are used according to the person and numbers of noun or pronouns. As you can see in the chart given here, he, she, it and all singular nouns takes has, the verb has with the main verb, and I, you, we, they and all plurals noun takes the verb have with the main verb in present tense. Third, had. Had is used with everything. Every noun or pronoun takes the verb had in past tense. Okay, now see the examples. Rishi has scored 5 runs of 20 balls. The other team has bowled well. Suman and Ravi have crossed the road. They have not reached the bank yet. Children, here you can see has, have and had are used with past participle of main verb to form the perfect tense. So you can say as a helping verb, verb to have is used in formation of the perfect tense. Now verb to do. Verb to do are three: do, does and did. Do and does are used in present tense and did is used in past tense. Verb to do is used as a helping verb for simple present tense and simple past tense in the formation of question and negative statement. Do, does and did and their negative forms can also be used to form short answer to question along with nouns and pronouns. As examples, do you study in class 4? क्या तुम क्लास 4 में पढ़ते हो? If you study, your answer will be yes, I do. If you don't study, your answer will be in negative, means no, I don't. Likewise, does Priya go to school by bus? क्या प्रिया स्कूल से बस से स्कूल जाती है? अगर प्रिया बस से स्कूल जाती है तो your answer will be yes, she does. If she doesn't go by bus, your answer will be no, she doesn't. In past tense, did you answer all the question? क्या तुमने सभी प्रश्नों के उत्तर दिए? Children, this happening has happened in past tense, so did is used here. Okay, तो अगर तुमने आंसर दिए होंगे then you can say yes, I did. If you don't, अगर तुमने नहीं दिया then your answer will be no, I didn't. Okay children, here I have given a chart. You can see how we form a question using do, does and did with which nouns or pronouns. I hope it will give you good support in doing the given exercises. So open the second link and do them. Thank you.